What? What's your problem? Right, this is 7.10. All right, here we do it. For these problems here, your job is to find the pattern. It goes 1, 5, 9, 13. Figure out the rule, write it down, and then write down the next 3 things that would come. For this one, this one, this one, this one, they get a bit harder. Harder. That means more difficult. Right? So write down the rule, then write down the next 3 numbers. All right? Hit pause on your video. Very good. Okay, now we're back. All right. 1, 5, 9. The rule is it's going up by 4. So it goes 17, 21, 25. Yeah, that one wasn't too hard. This one is doubling, or just times 2. So we got 64, 128, and 256. This one, it's going up by 1.25. So the next numbers would be 6.25, then 7.5, and 9. And this one right here, this might have been a bit puzzling to you until you thought. If you thought to change these guys into 16ths, then it becomes easy. 7/8. Bye-bye. 7/8, turn it into 16ths. How many 16ths would that be? Times 14 16ths. Let's just erase that and write 14 16ths. 14 16ths, 13 16ths. Guess what that one is? It's 12 16ths. 11 16ths. So the next thing is going to be 10 16ths, which you could have also written. Half of that is 5/8. And then the next thing down from that would be 9 16ths, and then 8 16ths, which is, half, isn't it? 8 16ths, isn't that pretty? Lovely. Right. So the rule is you take away 1/16 every time. All right. Here's 7/10. Your introduction. So what you're doing today is mostly they're going to be making these little tables, and they're going to call it in and out. And there'll be some numbers going here. I'll say like in. The rule will be like +5. What that means is maybe they start with a 0, and going down, they're just going to add 5. So it goes 5, 10, 15, 20. And maybe the out number is +2. 2. So then you go 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And then they're going to have these numbers, and they want you to use this language like the 5 in the X column, because this is to be the X's and the Y's. The 5 corresponds with a 4. So now they're going to have you do a graph of all that. So 0, 2. You always start here. You don't go any to the right, and you go up 2. Bing, bing. So you put a dot right there. 5, 4. So you go over 5, up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's about right there. 10, 6. 1, 2, that's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And up to 6. That was 1 higher. So that'd be like way over here. I don't know. My thing is, I think it's got a curve like this. Anyway, I don't think yours are going to do that. It's just an example, okay? It's just an example. So they're going to have the X's, and they're going to tell you what to do with the Y's. And it's pretty much all you have to know, okay? But you get a lot of pages. Isn't that good? It's not that hard, but you get a lot of pages. One of the pages is pretty tricky. So you're going to do, all the pages that have 7/10 on them, I mean, it's not rocket science, okay? It's 260. It's 261. It's 262. And it's 263. 261 to 263. All of them. Have fun. Bye-bye.